Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video. I am Aditya Shinoy and today I'm going to teach you how to customize your WordPress website with themes. So we're going to check all the options that are available on say a free instance of WordPress and also the options that you get on a paid instance. So I'm going to show you basically two methods of setting up themes. One is using search function and the second is by uploading a theme. So to start with, we're going to go ahead with the search functionality on WordPress. I'm going to quickly head over to wordpress.com. If you have watched our previous videos, we've created a fresh website. Now this is a free website on WordPress. So as you can see, if I move over to appearance and to themes, on free WordPress, you only have the option to select themes that are offered by WordPress on search. So if I were to install a theme using a plugin or uploading the theme file, that's not currently available and you'll need to be on the business plan to do that. So I'm going to first show how to set up a free theme on WordPress. Okay, so Cyrano is a theme that's currently applied on our blog already. So I'm going to look at an alternative. Rowling looks like an interesting pick here. I'm going to quickly check the demo site to see how it would look. Okay, it allows me to have a lot of articles on a single page. Also gives me multiple sections that I can add on the header. So looks like an interesting theme to me. I'm going to activate it. So as you can see, I can simply click on activate and the pop-up suggests that I will be changing my active theme from Cyrano to Rowling. Activate. The theme is now applied on my WordPress website. So as you can see, it's very simple to apply a theme here and all my articles that are there are currently visible here. So that's the applying it using the search functionality on WordPress. Now what if I want to apply it by uploading a theme file that I've downloaded? So I'm going to show you that as well. For that I will have to switch websites to another one that has a paid plan. So you can see this is another test website that I have. It's running a couple of ads as well. If I were to go down to appearance, as you can see, the search functionality remains the same. So I'll just quickly go to my themes. I'll show you the theme that I currently have. Hover is the theme that's currently active. So now, for example, I have downloaded the theme file. I'll show you how I can install it using the theme file. I can click on install theme. Now here at the top of the screen I have an option to upload the theme. So I can click upload theme, choose the file. I currently have a Newsmatic theme. I'll quickly apply that and I'll click install now. So what it now does is it's going to upload the file from my laptop onto the server and then install it. So what this does is it allows you to pick themes that are beyond WordPress. Like, you're not limited to the marketplace or the the options that WordPress offers you. You can have a custom theme built, sent to you in a zip file. You can look at other website as well. So Forest theme, Blaze themes. There are multiple theme websites that offer themes for free. So you can download that and apply it on your WordPress website. However, the caveat here is that you need to have the business plan to be able to do that. So as you can see, the Newsmatic theme that I have uploaded is currently getting installed. It's been installed. So I'll just take a look at the live preview for this. So the difference here is that I get to see a preview of the website without needing to apply it. Now if I like the way it looks, I can simply go ahead, activate and save it, and it gets applied onto the website. Free search method, which is applicable to both paid and free plans of WordPress, whereas the ability to upload a theme is only available on the business plan. I'll also add business plan pricing at the bottom of the screen so that you can take a look at it. Now, if you have a paid theme, usually paid themes are sent to you in a zip file. You can receive it over email or as a Google Drive link as well. You will need to be on the business plan to do it, and the process is fairly similar to the process I've shown it to you. You will have to upload the theme and apply it. It's pretty much easy and straightforward. You can follow the exact same steps. That's it for this video.